Okay guys, today we are going to give you a quick review of another flour from Migros. This is a bread flour that's a flour specially designed, specially made to make bread. This is quite pricey if you compare from another Migros flour. The price is double from this, double or triple or maybe 4 times expensive than the regular flour, also from Migros, because this is a special flour to make a bread. I'm not sure if you can make this bread from this general flour. I will check it later, but if you are not sure, you can use this as your flour if you're going to make a bread. From the right side, you will see detail of the ingredients of this flour. I'm sure this is in German, French, and Italian. And at the bottom, you can see the nutrition fact. If you have concern on this is 500 grams distributed by Migros. And in the left side you can see some descriptions of this flour, what is flour used for, and some CO2 certification. And yeah, in the back you will find some guidance how to make a bread from this flour. You can see that the first thing you have to mix the full of this flour, 500 grams, to 3.3 or until 3.5 water and with room temperature within 8 to 10 minutes. And then you can let them like that for 45 minutes, and then the third you touch again, make out pressure again, and then bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. And you can let it for 15 minutes, and then you can bake within 45 minutes with 200 degrees Celsius. That's if you're going to read, this is quite useful for you. In the top you will find some expiration date. Make sure you check the date before you buy. At the bottom nothing. And yeah, this is the Migros classic flour for making bread. This is good and quite useful if you decide to make your own bread. Okay guys, I hope this quick video useful for you. Please subscribe and like this video, and keep a comment if you have some recommendations or questions. See you later. Have a nice day.